Alright, for this video we will look at how to write quadratic equations by looking at their graphs. The first one we're going to look at is vertex form. First we need to find our vertex, which is at the very top or very bottom of your parabola. In this case it is at the point 2, 4. So our vertex is 2, 4. Don't forget, you have to write your x value first and then your y value. Now, to find a for now, until we learn how to solve it find it algebraically, just look at your vertex and follow the graph down until you hit the very next grid point and count how many you went down. So in this case, we went down 1. So -1 will be our A. Again, that is just for now. Once you find your vertex and your A, you just fill in the form. You'll have y equals -1. And then your vertex is really h, k. So our h is 2. But since h is inside the parentheses here, we're going to have to take our +2 and turn it negative. So anything that is inside parentheses, change the signs. Now our k, though, that is outside parentheses. So we're just going to keep it a +4. And don't forget my squared. And that is your vertex form. Now our intercept form, all you need is to find your x-intercepts. So 4 and -4. Our A, for now, do the same thing. You're going to start at your vertex and go up until you hit the next grid point. If you notice, you're going up by 2 and over by 2, so your A is really going to equal 1. Since 2 divided by 2 is 1. And again, just fill in your equation from what you just found. Your A is 1. Alright. Your B, we're going to say our B is 4. So again, since it's inside parentheses, change your +4. Oh no. Change your +4 to a -4. And then take your -4, that's your other x-intercept, and make it a +4. And that is your intercept form. Last, let's look at characteristics. Our x-intercepts are here at 1, or -1, and 5. Our y-intercept is down here at -5. For the intervals of increase or decrease, we're just going to look at how we're going to shade our graphs. So our interval of increase, we're going to start here at our vertex and follow my graph here as it goes positive. Now my interval of decrease, we're going to start here on the left side, and you see it's going down. And it goes down until it hits our vertex. Now our positive is all the parts of our graph that's above the x-axis. And then my negative is everything that is going to be below the x-axis. Now, for max and min, all you have to do is look at the vertex. Since our vertex is at the very bottom of our graph, we have a minimum. And then for the axis of symmetry, you just cut your graph in half, and as you see, we just cut our graph in half here at 2. So x equals 2 for our axis of symmetry. Then our end behavior, if you notice both of our ends of our graph point up, so it is positive.